It's a flip screen. Yippee!
What if we sleep? What do we need? A question.
Yeah.
Is there any monkey with you?
Yeah. This is a monkey. Yeah.
I'm very tired.
You're very tired now.
But don't worry, you can jump like this.
We'll make.
No. Do I help you?
Okay.
This is so heavy.
Yeah. Hold it.
I'm holding it.
You're not holding it. Dublak, it's so heavy.
Now I'm holding it.
Yeah, Dublak, let's go.
I'll show you one more thing.
You want to show me one more thing?
It can be very scary.
What are you doing?
It can be scary if we want. Wait. Have it like this, then go like this.
Wee!
It's like this only. Hi, Nani. I'm playing in my mom's gossip future. I watch my video on your TV. Peace out.
Okay.
If you see a spider over there, kill it.
Okay. Dublak, you can go.
Ah! I just saw a spider over there.
Where?
In the house. Papa?
Papa nahi, Mama. Go. Baba!
Mom, can you call Mama from the future?
Should I call Mama from the future? Alright, let's call Mama from the future.
It's climbing on your leg.
No! Kill it!
I hit it.
You are killing it! Oh no!
I killed it.
You killed it!
Now wash my hands. Sabun. My hands are all clean.
Yeah, it's clean, yippee!
No more spiders.
No more
Phew.
spider. Phew!
Oh no!
Where is it?
That's my ball.
It's just your ball.
Ah! There's a spider on this.
Eat it! Come, let's go!
You want to eat spider?
Yeah, yeah, what? Where's my cap?
I took it.
But why are you taking my cap, Dublak? Oh, teri.
I know Put your cap
Are you scared of heights, Dublak? Or do you like heights?
Love heights.
You love heights. You want to go in the aeroplane again? And go to Nani house maybe?
Yes.
Let's go to Nani house then. But what to do right now? Coronavirus is there, Dublak. The flights are not going.
It'll take a long time.
How much long time? What do you think?
I can come out with mask and little bit gloves.
Mask and gloves? Who's Shania?
Shania is my big friend.
Nayu Ribu?
Now you are shorter than me.
My finger? Do you want to do it? Do you want to try it?
I can't do it.
But try the
My
gun.
little hand.
Should I tell you the trick?
Please, Mamu, can you please tell me the magic trick? Mumps.
Mumps. What is mumps? Mumpy? Are you a mumpy?
No.
Then?
My daddy's a mumpy.
How do we go to India?
With the aeroplane?
With the aeroplane. Do you want to go to India?
Yes.
But why can't we go right now?
Because it's a virus.
Which virus?
Our virus.
It's not our virus, Dublak. Don't say that. Yeah. What is?
Coronavirus.
Yes. Yeah.
Stop it! Ah! Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Oh.
I gotta put chocolate to blow. Look, where are we going? Tell the camera.
To my home.
Because Mama's waiting.
Because Mama's waiting.
Baba. Peace.
Peace.
Peace on you too.
Peace on you too.
Baba. Okay, good night.